Code of ethics. Your code of ethics is basically a model to live by, or some people call this character in action. Good values, personal standards, and ethical choices all build into your code of ethics. It develops over a lifetime and it helps to make difficult choices. Again, some choices are not so clear cut. And it can involve legal considerations. And it helps make the right decisions in the end. So, character in action means that values and ethics mean nothing without action. Your actions show people what you value. Developing positive values, setting personal standards, and making ethical choices show that you have good character. This is a learning process which never stops. You should always continue to learn and grow. So, in summary, personal standards guide your behavior by defining what you do and what you do not do. Planning ahead and knowing your standards can help you react appropriately in difficult situations. Ethics help you make decisions based on what is right, fair, just, caring, and best for all involved. Values, standards, and ethics develop as you mature, and they provide a framework that helps you make good choices now and in the future.